Kindly welcome to another video of Wabili project in Lagos, Nigeria. This is Amen Estate to be precise. Guys, today we have this project located in Amen Estate. We have Funke Architecture Drive along here. We have different residential estates that currently people are already staying here. So we have this project located in a very coastal area. We have to discuss about the selection process, the application process, and the procedure which you will apply the paint. The paint where you use, this is what they call straight smooth Santex paint. We have the VME and we have Santex. These are the three grades of paint we are using for this project. When you are selecting paint for an area that is a coastal area, what we mean by a coastal area is an area located around the water area. As you all know, Lekki Ajah is a water area, waterlogged area. This is why you select a paint that can withstand that salty water. That is why we are selecting straight smooth for the exterior of the building, and for the interior we have our VME emulsion, and we have the satin silk for the main wall of the interior. That's the glittering washable paint. These are the selection process. Then the application process is that the matte, the VME, is applied as the underlay for the satin paint, and it is also used for painting the ceiling. Like this, the whole ceiling of this project was painted with VME emulsion, and the wall was primed with VME matte emulsion, and the satin is also the Santex paint. So guys, this is a very difficult project because the condition, the surface preparation, because the result of a painting project is the preparation stage. The result of a painting project is the preparation stage, because you have to take time to prepare the surface. The condition of this project when we came here was very, very bad, and we have to take our time to prepare the surface, to do some maintenance, to do some cleaning process, to do some patching, screening, and also doing some maintenance on the POP work. So we are able to achieve, we can't have 100% on the whole project, but we can achieve 100. So guys, this is the building. This main entrance door is going to be polished. It's not yet polished, and we are going to polish it, and it's going to have the final look. It's going to be sand and sandpaper. Let's move in and see the beautiful part of this project. Yeah.